Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ali's Biology. In this video we will discuss about the various steps which are involved in solving a biological problem. So number one is recognition of the biological problem. That word is that biological problem, is that a disease or something else? And then observations which are being done by means of five senses, which include vision, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Okay, these observations might be quantitative, they might be qualitative. If we talk about the qualitative observations, so they are variable, means that they can be changed. Someone says that it's too much cold, other one says that no, it's not too much cold. It means that they are variable. Non-measurable, cannot be measured and cannot be recorded in the form of number. We can say if someone says that it's too much cold, the other one says no, it's not too much cold. So these are such, we can say, observations cannot be recorded in the form of numbers. But if we say the observations, the quantitative observations, so these are invariable, means they cannot be changed. For example, if we say that the temperature today is 40 degrees C, so that will remain 40 degrees C, that will not be get changed. So these are measurable. 40 degrees C, we have measured that the temperature is 40 degrees C, so it has been measured and can be recorded in the form of numbers. 40, the number 40, it shows that it is in the form of number. Okay, for example, I have mentioned an example, a simplest example here. If we talk about the qualitative observations, so freezing point of water is colder than boiling point, we know that. Okay, freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Now this 0, it shows the number, so it can be measured. So and invariable, this cannot be changed. The freezing point of water will remain as such forever. Okay, then boiling point of water is 100 degrees C. It means this 100, it is a number and it will never change, so it's invariable. So such observations, the quantitative observations, they are far better than qualitative observations because they are invariable, they will never change, they can be measured and they can be recorded in the form of numbers, while qualitative observations don't have such, we can say, properties. So that's why we can say the scientists, they will prefer the quantitative observations. Okay, then after observations we have the hypothesis, which is a general statement given by the scientists on the basis of the observations regarding the specific biological problem. Then deduction, a logical statement given on the basis of that hypothesis. Here if and then logic will be used. We will study that later on with the specific example of malaria, that how hypothesis it is being built and how the deduction it is being utilized there on the basis of that hypothesis. Okay, then experimentation. Experiments will be performed in order to prove whether the hypothesis is true or it's false. Okay, then result summarization. Okay, whatever the results they are being obtained through the experiments, they are being built in the proper short form, in the form of graphs, tables, that even the other scientists, if they we can say by a single look, they can recognize that what the graphs or the tables they show. Okay, then reporting the results. The results, they are being reported by the scientists in the proper research paper or the thesis, and they will show, that particular scientist will show his results regarding the specific biological problem in front of the other scientists, and the other scientists, they will ask different questions from that specific scientist, and he will have to answer those questions. So in this way we can say the results, they are being reported in the research paper or thesis. I hope so that you understand. Thank you very much.